Sigiriya, likewise called Lion Rock or Lion Mountain, site in Fokal, Sri Lanka, comprising of the remnants of an old fortress that was implicit the late 5th century CE on a noteworthy solid stone point of support. The stone, which is steep to the point that its top shades the sides, ascends to a height of 1,144 feet above ocean level and is about 180 meters over the encompassing plain. Guests can climb the 1,200 stages, isolated among various flights of stairs, to the top. The fortification on top of Sigiriya Fort was worked by Lord Kashyapa, who governed from 477 to 495 promotion. He picked this as his regal home as he was stressed about expected assaults from his sibling Magallana, the legitimate beneficiary of the privileged position. Lord Kashyapa's life and the rule were brimming with debate. He was brought into the world by a non-illustrious mistress and reserved no privilege to the high position. Thus he defied his ruler father Datusana, detaining him and at last having him killed, burying him in a wall. Preceding Lord Kashyapa involving Sigiriya Lion Rock as his home, its idea the stone was a Buddhist cloister. Yet again it was utilized as a religious community after Kashyapa's demise till it was deserted in the 1400 years. On a level mostly up the stone, Kashyapa constructed a passage as an enormous lion with a flight of stairs rising out of the lion's mouth, consequently its name meaning Sigiriya Lion's Rock. Ruler Kashyapa made a reflect wall so exceptionally clear that he could see his appearance as he strolled by. There is likewise proof of a wall, 140 meters in length and 40 meters high, covered with compositions of women. These artworks are still mostly noticeable today. Guests engraved their considerations of the painted ladies along the reflect wall. This spray painting is of extraordinary interest to students of history, showing the improvement of the Sinhala language and content. The Sigiriya Lion's Rock incorporates water plants, a canal, terraced gardens, and archaeological highlights. The high-level and noteworthy pressure-driven framework comprising of trenches, lakes, dams, extensions, well springs, and underground water siphons gives water to the Sigiriya